Hey guys, welcome to this video tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you what is WordPress and how to install WordPress. So WordPress is basically a CMS, which means content management system. What basically content management system does is it organizes our website content and our website code separately so that we can organize and manage them efficiently. This is basically a theoretical explanation for CMS, content management system. We will see exactly what does that mean, but as of now let me show you how to install WordPress first. There are so many ways to install WordPress. Either you can go to wordpress.org.com where you can download WordPress. Here you can see a button, get WordPress. I'm gonna click on that. It's going to give me this link, download WordPress 5.8.2, which is the latest version of WordPress. This is one way. The thing about downloading WordPress locally is we need a server environment like XAMPP or something like that to run WordPress locally. What I'm going to do here is I have a application which is you can go to localwp.com and download this local application named local, which is specifically for WordPress. Here I have opened that local application. So here you can see there is a button called create a new site. I'm gonna click that create a new site. It's going to ask me what's your site name. I'm just going to give WordPress tutorial. Okay, if I click advanced option, it's going to ask me about where to install WordPress in local system. It's not needed now. I'm just going to click continue. Okay, here you can see preferred custom. It's about the server configuration, what PHP version you want, what server type you want, all those things. And let it be preferred, and I'm going to click continue, and it's going to ask me this login URL of our WordPress site, WordPress admin. I'm going to give admin password also. Let us give a simple password, admin #123, right? So to install WordPress we need to give our WordPress email ID out. I'm going to give my email ID okay. So I'm going to click add site. Now this application is going to install WordPress locally for me. So let us wait. So here we go. The application has finished installing WordPress in my local system. To find where the application has installed WordPress, you can just click on this icon here. It will take you to the folder where the WordPress get installed in your local system. Here you can see local sites WordPress tutorial. Here is where our WordPress application has been installed. If I click on app, public, these are all the default WordPress files and folders you will see inside any WordPress installation. So let me open my site, open site. So here is the URL created by this application for my local WordPress site, WordPress tutorial site name .local. So this is the default WordPress installation. This is the default WordPress home page, how it will look when you install WordPress for the first time. So I'm going to go to the backend, the admin panel of this particular WordPress site. For that I'm going to my local application and I'm clicking on admin. So it's going to take me to the backend of this particular local WordPress site. Okay, here it's asking me for the password and username which we provided earlier. So I'm going to give admin password save admin #123. Now I'm going clicking login. Let me close this full screen. Okay, loading. So here we go. This is the WordPress admin page. So I'm going to click close my site. From here I'm just hovering over this and I'm just clicking visit site. You can also go to the front end like this also. So this is the default WordPress installation. In the next video I will walk you through what are all the settings here on what we can do with WordPress and all those stuff. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.